Hello students, for class 9, in our previous video of chapter 2 polynomials part 4, we have discussed factorization of polynomials and we discussed on 5 methods. Now today from 6 onwards I am going to explain the methods of factorization of polynomials. Sixth method is a square of a trinomial. A square of a trinomial, the identity that we will use is x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now using this identity, I am showing you the method of factorization taking one example. Say 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. How to do this? You see that here no term is negative, but here 1, 2 terms are negative. It means x, y, z, either of the terms 1 or 2 or 3, there is all the terms may be negative. Now let us find that one out. So this is equal to first x square, y square, z square. Let us write this one in the square form. So root 2x whole square. Later on I will judge what will be the sign. Plus y square means y whole square plus 8z square means 2 root 2 z whole square. Now what is this term? 2xy. So this term is 2xy. As this is negative, either x is negative or y is negative. Either x is negative or y is negative. So to consider the sign, I am not giving the sign of neither x nor y. So plus 2 into x root 2 x into y. Y means y. I haven't given their sign. Let us see the next one. Plus 2yz. So 2. Y means y. Z means 2 root 2 z. Now let us judge. The second term is positive. Here it is also positive. So if y is positive, z is positive, then this is positive. So if we are taking that y is positive, z is positive, then this is positive, or y is negative, z is negative, then this is negative. Now it is our choice. Suppose we don't want to make the first term negative, so negative is the second term, that is this is negative, now this is negative, so plus minus minus, it is adjusted. Now 2 into 2 root 2, what is that? 4 root 2, let us see, 4 root 2 y z, this is adjusted. Then plus 2zx, so 2. Now z means, now as y is negative, so we have given a negative, so this term will also be negative. Then negative into negative positive, so this is positive, plus 2zx2, z means 2 root 2, 2 root 2 z into x, x means root 2x, so 2zx. Now let us judge the sign. Sign is negative. What we have seen, z is taken as negative, so negative, so plus minus minus, so minus 2 to the 4, root 2 into root 2 2, 4 to the 8, x into z, xz. So this is verified. Now this is equal to what we have seen, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, or x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. What is that? X plus y plus z whole square. So x root 2x plus y, so plus minus minus y plus minus minus 2 root 2z whole square. It means what are the factors? Root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2z into root 2x minus y minus 2 root 2z. 2 power means 2 times it is written. So sixth method it is discussed. Now seventh one, cube of binomial. Cube of binomial. Now for the cube of binomial, what we use? Identities are x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. And second one is x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So we are going to use these two identities. With one example, I am showing you how to factorize. Or we may find out the expansion of this one. Maybe it is not factorization, it may be you are given to expand. Means suppose 2a plus 3b whole cube. Suppose we are given this one, so this is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b, that is 2a plus 3b. So this is equal to 8a cube plus 27b cube, then 3 3 is 9, 9 to 18, ab into 2a plus 3b, that is equal to 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 36 a square b plus 54 ab square. Now method 8, factorization of sum or difference of cube. Sum or difference of cube. Sum or difference of cube. So the identity used will be x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. I am explaining, taking one example. Say 27 x cube plus 125 y cube. This is, you have to factorize. So these we can write 3x whole cube plus 5y whole cube. Now this is identical to a cube plus b cube. Let us read this as a and read this as b. So a cube plus b cube, this is equal to a plus b. Whenever I am reading in the terms a and b, but putting the values a 3x, b 5y, then a square minus a into b plus b square. So this is equal to 3x plus 5y, then 9x square minus 5 3 15 xy plus 25y square. So we have written this polynomial as the product of two polynomials. So this is called factorization. Next, 9. Factorization of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So identity is what? It is factorization of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Now this is equal to, the identities is x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, then x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This. So let us take one example. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xy 9xyz 9xyz. First let us write this one in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube. There is 3x whole cube plus y whole cube plus z whole cube minus 3 into x means first term 3x into second term y into third term z. So this is equal to x plus y plus z. So what should we write? 3x plus y plus z. Then x square means 3x whole square plus y square is y square, z square is z square, minus xy means minus 3x into y, minus yz y into z, minus zx z into 3x, second bracket closed. So this is equal to 3x plus y plus z. Then 3x whole square means 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. Now 10th method. In 10th method we are using factorization of algebraic expressions of the type x cube plus y cube plus z cube when x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Suppose we are given factorize p minus q whole cube plus q minus r whole cube plus r minus p whole cube. We have to factorize this one. How to do this? With the identities, let us read. This is x cube, this is as y cube, this is as z cube. Now let us verify whether x plus y plus z, whether x plus y plus z is 0. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So first let us find out x plus y plus z, that is p minus q plus q minus r plus r minus p. This is equal to plus p minus r plus r minus q plus q is 0. Hence x cube, that is p minus q whole cube, plus y cube, that is q minus r whole cube, plus z cube, that is r minus p whole cube, is equal to 3x. X means p minus q, y means q minus r, and z into z means r minus p. So we have factorized the polynomial whenever this is in the form x cube plus y cube plus z cube, when x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So the last part of the polynomial, that is part 5, factorization, I have totally discussed on 10 methods. In my previous video there are 5 methods, and here 6 to 10 there is another remaining 5 methods I have discussed. Okay, so